on the dais, honorable judges of the respective high courts, the learned Solicitor General, Sri Ranjit Kumar, our President, Sri Dave, our Secretary, Sri Gaurav Bhatia, distinguished senior members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, members of the fraternity, the AOR President Sri Gopal Singh and Secretary Nandini Gore, past presidents, members of the executive, members of the office bearers of SCBA. Today it is a proud privilege on behalf of the members of bar to welcome all the Honorable Chief Justices of respective high courts who has taken out time to be with us, that is the apex body, before the members, and it is really heartening to welcome them and our sincere thanks for taking out time to be with us today. This is an annual program every year when the All India Chief Justices Conference takes place, where the resolution is passed on year-to-year basis to achieve many such targets. I was just going through the last year resolutions, and there were about 15 resolutions which I could see, but we as members of the bar are primarily concerned with 2 or 3 resolutions. The rest were the resolution to be taken care of by Honorable the Chief Justice of India and Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court and Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court. The 2 most important was the backlog and the delay. I, on behalf of the Supreme Court Bar, would like to suggest for kind consideration that there should be a rationing in the time for senior lawyers to argue a matter, especially before larger bench, because it goes on for days together, months together, and I was just going through the data. There 80% of the matter involves high profile cases where it takes 80% of the time of the courts. There should be rationing right at the inception, which will certainly curtail the time and bring about at least something better to say yes, that the backlog has been reduced. 5 judges, 7 judges hear matter for months together. That's one of the fields which should be taken care of. I am no one, but on behalf of the bar, this is a kind suggestion for a kind consideration. Second aspect of the matter would be access to justice, because justice access will only deliver justice, otherwise not. Since high profile cases consume most of the time, poor people don't get time, and nor their matters are taken up time and again, it is adjourned. So these are the 2 areas of concern which I wanted to communicate. Lastly, I have been asked by the members of the bar to convey to Honorable the Chief Justices of the respective High Court 2 things. The first and foremost is that our Supreme Court is a mini India, where people from Kashmir to Kanyakumari are here, with all caste, creed, religion, from every section of the society. Some of them have the grievance that their names are never considered, their candidature is never considered for elevation. Even though they belong to the respective states and they are members of that association, nor they are asked even in Delhi High Court, since they belong to outstation. So a request to Honorable the Chief Justice of all the High Courts that at least 1 in 10 should be considered, which I feel Honorable the Chief Justice was kind enough to say yes on the last occasion, that people from Supreme Court also should be considered, provided they are members of the bar of their respective states, they belong to that state, and they often appear in that court. With these words, why once again, on behalf of the members of the bar, thank you very much for sparing time with us. We are grateful for your presence. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And now I would like to request the Joint Secretary of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Mr. Sandeep Singh, to kindly present a bouquet to Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Chief Justice, Allahabad High Court. May I request Mr. Gopal Singh, who is the President of SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet to Honorable Mr. Justice D.H. Waghela, Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. Thank you, sir. May I request Mr. Piyush Kanti Roy, Member Executive SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Dr. Justice Manjula Chellar, High Court of Calcutta, please. One more, ma'am. You're very special for us. Thank you for being here. May I now request Mr. Amit Anand Tiwari, Honorable, to present a bouquet to Honorable Mr. Justice Naveen Sinha, the Chief Justice of the Chhattisgarh High Court, please. We welcome you, sir. May I request Ms. Pavani Mahalakshmi to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Ms. Justice G. Rohini, the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, please. We welcome you here, ma'am. Thank you for coming.
This side, please, ma'am. This side. Yeah.
May I request Mr. Sukumar Padjoshi ji, Senior Advocate and Senior Member Executive of SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Ajit Singh, the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court. May I request Mr. Aftab Ali Khan, Member Executive, SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Reddy, Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court. May I request Mr. Ranveer Yadav, Member Executive, SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Mansoor Ahmad Mir, the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court. May I request our colleague Ms. Gagandeep Kaur to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Dilip B. Bhosle, the Acting Chief Justice of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh High Court. We welcome you, sir. Thank you. May I request Mr. Dr. Bheem Pratap Singh and Mr. Abhas Parimal to kindly come and present a bouquet to Honorable Mr. Justice N.N. Paul Vasant Kumar, the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court. May I request Mr. Abhas Parimal again to present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Viren Singh, the Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court. We welcome you, sir. May I request Mr. Anurag Pandey, who is the Joint Treasurer of SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice S.K. Mukherjee, please, the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court.
Sir.
May I now request Mr. Jiten Mohan Sharma, Senior Advocate, Senior Member Executive of SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Ashok Bhushan, the Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court. May I request Ms. Shashi Juneja ji to please present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay M. Khanvilkar, the Chief Justice of the Madhya Pradesh High Court. We welcome you here, sir. Thank you for being here. May I now request Ms. Sunita Rao, the Vice President of SCBA, to kindly come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, please. May I request Kumudlata Das ji to do the needful and welcome sir to this function. Kumudlata Das is member executive of SCBA. Thank you. May I request Ms. Nandini Gore, the Secretary of SCORA, to kindly come and present a bouquet to Honorable Mr. Justice Lakshmikant Mahapatra, the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court. May I request Mr. Sandeep Singh, Joint Secretary, to kindly come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court.
Sir, this side please.
May I request Mr. Amit Anand Tiwari, the Treasurer of the SCBA, to kindly come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Vineet Saran, the Chief Justice of the Orissa High Court.
चलिए इसे ले अभी.
May I request Mr. Anurag Pandey, the Joint Treasurer, to come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Iqbal Ahmed Ansari, the Acting Chief Justice of the Patna High Court.
Sir, this side please.
May I now request Mr. Jitendra Mohan Sharma ji to present a bouquet of flowers to Justice S. J. Wazidar, the Acting Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. May I
Sir,
request
this side please. Yeah.
Mr. Pramod Saroop to come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Rastogi, the Acting CJ of the Rajasthan High Court.
बस अजीत नहीं है.
अजीत
सामने कम.
अजीत हट जाओ.
May I request Mr. Padjoshi to please come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Sunil Kumar Sinha, the Chief Justice of the Sikkim High Court, please.
वहीं से. Sir, this side please.
May I request Ms. Shashi Juneja to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Gupta ji, who is the Chief Justice of the Tripura High Court.
वहीं से ले लिया. Ma'am, please here. Thank you.
May I now request Mr. Ashok Bhan to come and present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Joseph, the Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court. Thank you. And your presence has made the event really special for all of us. We look forward to hearing the views of the Solicitor General, the Honorable Chief Justice of India. And with that, I request Mr. Ranjit Kumar, the learned Solicitor General of India, to kindly deliver his address, please. May I request Mr. Sukumar Padjoshi ji, Senior Advocate and Senior Member Executive of SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Ajit Singh, the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court. May I request Mr. Aftab Ali Khan, Member Executive, SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Reddy, Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court. May I request Mr. Ranveer Yadav, Member Executive SCBA, to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Mansoor Ahmed Mir, the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court. May I request our colleague Ms. Gagandeep Kaur to kindly present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Mr. Justice Dilip B. Bhosle, the Acting Chief Justice of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh High Court. We welcome you, sir. Thank you. May I request Mr. Dr. Bheem Pratap Singh and Mr. Abhas Parimal to kindly come